All right, guys. Good afternoon. It is Jimmy, the new guy here, Texarkana Harley Davidson, Texarkana, Texas. Well, I'm being sent off this week. I will have my motorcycle endorsement by the time I come back Sunday. So if you've had some bikes that maybe I've posted or you may be interested in, come on down next week. Let's kick some tires. Let's start some bikes. Let's go for a ride. Because sometimes you never know what bike you're gonna like until you come in, set on it, feel it. It could be the deal breaker on either you want the bike or you possibly go a different direction. You know, you try your shoes on before you buy them. You need to sit on the bike and see how it fits you as well too. So come down and see me next week, guys.